Hello, welcome to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details CapSim walkthrough for round 1 on the decision from R&D, marketing, production, HR and finance. The top 10 winning tips to see to get the top result. As you see on the screen, you see the top sale and top profit after 8 rounds. You can see that we get the top stock price. So now we start with round 1. I show you the detail now. We start CapSim Capstone with 5 products here. So before round 1 is very important. Before we set decision, we need to check the industry condition report here. Industry condition report. You see that we start with industry condition report with 5 products in 5 segments. We are the sensor company manufacturers for the sensor to sell to the other business. So we have five market segments here: low-end, traditional, high-end, performance and size, in that order. So each round we need to look at table 1 here to update the product by increase performance and size here, right? Remember that each product, each segment increase differently, adjust differently. Performance increase and size reduce, right? Performance increase and size reduce. And for segment 2 we have 8 rounds here, increase for 8 rounds. But remember, do not just use this number because we need to have to look at table 3, ideal spot here, right? So performance and size here we have traditional and size here. Update for 8 rounds. Update for 8 rounds. So remember to update the product R&D by increase performance and size, and use table 2 combined with table 3. You can download the free source files under this video to use this table 2 and this table 3. I have calculated for you for this for 8 rounds. So if you just use table 2, you cannot win. You need to combine table 2 and table 3. Use this Excel file to update R&D. So I show you to update R&D now. So you see that 5.7 and 14.3. Number 2 we do not have to update. I show you later, right, the reason why. And for the performance we can update to 8.9 and 11.1, and here we have 10.4 and 15.3, 27,000. I show you the reason why. This 4.5 and 9.8, 20,000. So we can recalculate this, right? You see that the launching date here is the same year, right? And now look at the industry condition report one time more. We have after update R&D, we see that the market segments here: traditional, low-end, performance, high-end, performance and size. If you just look at this, you can see that these 3 segments, high-end, performance and size, have very high growth, but actually they have much lower market share. So we need to focus on traditional and low end. Also, take that depends on competition, right? And also we see that traditional price not so much important. Low end price very important, so set the low price. High end here we have a price not important. Performance price also not important, and size of price not so important. So we can set high price for the high end performance and size. Now we can check the report here to see the details of 5 segments. So again, this is very important. Check the report page 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 9 every round, and also page 4 in later, right? So look at this. You see traditional here, the market segment 32%, so that's very big market share. Low end market 39%, so nearly 40%, very big important segments. High end not so much, high end only 10%, 9% here. Performance 8%, and size quite small, right? 8%. That's why we focus on the first 2 products, and then we can launch a new product here. So again, you can use the Excel file here to check that 4.5, 15.5 for round 4. So when this product is launched, it has very the ideal spot and can sell very well. So that's overview of overview of round 1 IND, round 1 to IND. If you have any question, you can send the email to mbacim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Remember, this long-term strategy, and then we have the top 10 tips here. The EU industry condition report. I just show you the industry condition report. Download the free Excel file to calculate IND and update IND. In the round 1, we add a new product in round 1, 2, and 3. So that's 4 winning tips I show you. Check the other video for the next 2 winning tips. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.